Discover how easy it is to start and use OpenOffice Writer online with the OffiDocs platform. Whether you're drafting a quick note or creating a detailed document, OffiDocs provides a seamless and powerful word processing experience right in your browser. Getting started is simple. Just head over to the OffiDocs website and select OpenOffice Writer from their suite of productivity apps. In a few clicks, you'll have a fully functional word processor at your fingertips, no installation required. Once you're in, the familiar interface of OpenOffice Writer makes it easy to jump right into your work. You can start a new document or upload an existing one to edit. With all the essential tools, like text formatting, tables, and images, you can create professional documents effortlessly. The real beauty of using OpenOffice Writer with OffiDocs is its flexibility. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet, you can access your documents anytime, anywhere. Plus, with the option to save files directly to the cloud, your work is always backed up and accessible. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs reliable document editing on the go, OpenOffice Writer on OffiDocs brings you all the features you need without any of the hassle. Try it today and experience the convenience of powerful word processing right from your browser with OffiDocs.